Welcome to another episode of Classic Bicycle Rescue. Here's part 2 of the restoration of the 1951 Western Flyer. Today I was able to get all the finished parts put back together. Got the forks put together. Got the fenders painted. Shined up the chrome as best I could. Got the tank put back on. Get the seat post and seat back on it. Here's the chain guard. Got the chain guard all painted, and I hand lettered the lettering on Western Flyer with some gray. Tonight I will be waiting for the rest of these parts to dry. There's the back fender, and here's the rack. So as you can hear in the background, it's 4th of July and everyone is shooting off fireworks tonight. Well, me, I was kind of celebrating the 4th of July in my own way. Sitting around at the garage, having a few beers, and working on this all day, actually. Got a lot of work done on it, and it's, I guess you could say, halfway done. And there's still a lot of stuff I have to do to it. I mean, I'll have to, well, there's a lot of stuff to just still do. I'm still trying to make the decision on whether or not to either repaint the handlebars, or I might just try to find the replacement ones. Find something nicer for it. Trying to think. Got the rest of the parts in the box. Chain, spare nuts and bolts. I actually have a new set of pedals for it. Got reflectors on them and that. Pretty much brand new. Reproduction type. Like tomorrow, probably about tomorrow, I'll be getting, this should be dry, and I should be able to take and start putting this back together. Get the lenses put back in, put the braces back on the sides where these holes are at. Then I'll take this fender braces, get them painted with some gray. Yep, and I think that's pretty much it. So I thought there was going to be more videos on this than what there is, but it's come along a lot faster than I thought it would. I've been working on this in nights and mornings when it's cooler, so should be done in about a couple days. So probably about 2, 3, maybe 4 more videos on this. So happy 4th of July, and be safe, and see you on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos on this project and other ones will be doing. And hit that like button. So happy 4th of July, everyone. Adios.